Discover radiant health with our #1 suggested blood sugar recipe. Hi there, warriors of wellness. Greetings and salutations from the Wellness Warriors Vibrant Balance channel once again. We have something really revolutionary to share with you today. Do you have trouble controlling your blood sugar levels? We're going to provide the top blood sugar recipe that thousands of people have used to take charge of their health from the comforts of their own homes. So stay tuned. We are aware that controlling blood sugar can be extremely difficult. What happens if my blood sugar doesn't get better? Is a question that many of you have asked. While we understand that your concerns are legitimate, we can reassure you that there is hope in the form of a natural tincture. Presenting our groundbreaking dietary supplement. It is a completely plant-based, non-GMO, additive and stimulant-free product made to assist people in maintaining normal blood sugar levels, particularly those over 30. Let's examine what exactly makes this supplement so successful. It contains an abundance of potent compounds, including L-glutamine, raspberry ketones, green tea extract, eleuthero extract, and many more. Each of these elements contributes in a different way to maintaining the wellness of your blood sugar. So how does it operate? This nutritional supplement increases glucose absorption, lowers insulin resistance, and promotes insulin sensitivity by utilizing the synergistic effects of gymnema, grape seeds, and guarana. For your blood sugar, it functions like a superhero. It has advantages and disadvantages like any vitamin. Advantages include being all-natural, non-GMO, and devoid of chemicals and stimulants. It's quite simple to use. It may not be appropriate for use by expectant mothers, is only offered on the official website, and may interfere with other prescription drugs or vitamins. Ginseng is one of our main ingredients. It has been shown in studies to reduce blood sugar levels. Using this supplement can support you in your quest for improved blood sugar regulation whether or not you have diabetes. Another fantastic item that helps speed up your metabolism is guarana, which has tannins and theobromine. Bid farewell to superfluous adipose layers that affect your blood sugar levels. Not to be overlooked is coleus. It increases levels of cyclic adenosine monophosphate, CAMP, which encourages the breakdown of fat cells and eventually contributes to weight loss. A significant increase in your body's metabolism is about to occur. This supplement is the solution if you're prepared to take charge of your blood sugar levels and discover robust health. Fear need not stop you because we provide a thorough 60-day guarantee. Try it out. There's no financial risk at all, and you can see the amazing healing effects it has on your blood sugar levels. We are grateful that you could join us on the Wellness Warriors Vibrant Balance channel today. Check out the pinned comment below or the link in the video description to find out more about this game-changing vitamin. Your flourishing health is only a click away, so don't delay. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell if you thought this was helpful information so you don't miss any updates from us. Never forget that you are capable of leading a lively, healthy life. See you in the upcoming video. Stay safe and be well.